Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a really nice lathe that just came in. This is a 20 by 80 Webb lathe with a gap. This quality is a very nice high heavy duty quality. It's comparable to a Morisiki. Machine's fully functional, has inch and metric threading, thread dial. It's got a 3 and 4 jaw chuck. Here's a follow rest, steady rest, as well as coolant. And here's the gap right here, removable gap. You could swing larger pieces in a small area. We'll go ahead and start the machine, show you some feed, some threads, let you hear the head. Everything's really nice on this machine. It's all been tested out and ready to go. So the first thing we got is the head. We'll go ahead and put it into threading. You can see the screws right there is turning. Now it's in threading mode. Also has a 4-way tool post. And right here's the thread dial spinning. We'll go ahead and take it off of that. We're going to put it on a feed. Now we're feeding. We'll reverse the feed. You can see it's reversing. We'll go ahead and show you the cross feed. Everything's really quick and easy to change on this lathe. Everything's nice in a nice central location. And here's the reverse. You can see everything moves really nicely. We'll go ahead and stop the machine and I'll show you the low speed. It has a foot brake disconnect, so it'll turn it off. Wait for the truck to slow. And we'll go ahead and switch it into low. You can see we're on low speed right there. That speed looks to be just about as low as you can go. That's on about 28 RPM. And we'll go one more bigger. A little bit faster. That's running at 67 RPM. As you can see, everything runs really nice on this lathe, a very quiet machine. If you're interested in this lathe, smaller or bigger, we carry all different sizes, new and used. Please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the Webb's premier machinery video site.